Hi guys, so let's go back to the things. So one thing was missing, or the next step is basically a dashboard on the Pi. So I have like a little touch screen with a Pi enclosure, very nice, shows temperature and some local pictures, and there's a flow for this, of course. So let's just write, where's the flow? Here we go. So just take that flow, right, see, and let's go to Node-RED. So I just installed it, so you just do this import, boom, and then we should have the flow. Yes, get rid of this. So basically this is what it's look like. Let me just update this. So here we have this flow, and what I did is like I just took some pictures here which are close to me, or this one's from the airport. If you just Google like traffic cameras in your neighborhood, you probably find some open data which you can use. And all I did is like they usually have some static pack images which they update every so often. I just take this one and plug it into here, and then every time I update the dashboard, so the dashboard basically just reads the global var which we set on the data one, and does it every 30 seconds or so, and then updates the dashboard. So see the dashboard here. Let's go back to the dark theme. I like that better. And then one thing you can do is I like to do is I add an Alexa button here, and I just use a link to the flow. So if I click the Alexa button, in theory it should, I lost that thought. That happens sometimes. Okay, now the authentication is back. So, and then you click here.
It is now 4:22 p.m. The local temperature is -1 degrees. The airport temperature is -1, and mostly cloudy with wind gusts of 27 kilometers per hour. So it does that, and you can obviously add another button here. Let's say, I'm gonna say Google, and do the same thing. Here we're gonna put one here, call this Google. And here we call this so this should be going here, right? Yeah. And then we should have another button here, and then if I click this, in theory Google should kick off. Oh, sorry, this should do it. Here we go.
It is now 4:23 p.m. The local temperature is -1 degree. The airport temperature is -1 and mostly cloudy with wind gusts of 27 km per hour.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna update this and put it up in the GitHub, so you have the buttons there too. Okay, that's it. Next step would be the if integration. So talk to you in a bit.